Their kaolin test pit has turned out to be wildly successful, and here to tell me more about it is James Marsh, the CEO of Zeotech. James, it's a pleasure to see you. How are you?
Good afternoon, Shay. Pleasure's all mine.
Now, I gave away some of the good news in the headline today, and that is your Toondoon Kaolin Project in central Queensland. You've just finished the test pit. This was quite a large test as well. Now, it turns out it's been quite successful. Can you take me through some of these numbers?
Yeah, certainly. This is a very critical part of the development of our project towards commercialisation. We've done extensive drilling, but anyone in this business knows that the drilling doesn't tell the full story, and until you take the surface off, you just don't know what you're going to find underneath. So we've done that, and we've done it in a big scale. Now we've taken out well over 2,000 tonnes of kaolin, and that material is going to be put to very good use. And what we found under the ground was probably better than we actually hoped for. So that was a fantastic result.
Now, in today's announcement, you refer to DSO or direct shipping ore for the kaolin. Now, let's be honest, this isn't a term people associate with kaolin very much. They normally associate it with iron ore. Why is this a benefit for Zeotech?
Yeah, you're quite right. DSO, it doesn't normally happen with kaolin because it's just not valuable enough normally, and there's no margin, so you can't make money doing that. We're very lucky that our kaolin is so pure. It means that the value is much higher than the average kaolin. So we can sell ours unrefined, so simple, free on board business, straight from the pit, straight down to the port, and make some very nice money. And this is scheduled to be happening fairly early in 2026.
Now, just to round out the good news for this Toondoon project, I've noticed that there was an updated traffic impact assessment that's come through, and you've been in discussion with the landowners. Again, what does this mean for the project overall?
Yeah, so we have been very, very busy in the last few weeks. It's been a lot to do, a small team, but we've kicked some serious goals over the last few weeks. These include the traffic impact assessment, which is a vital part of the moving forward with Queensland Traffic and Main Roads for the haulage operation. We've done a deal with a landowner to put a road down through from the mining lease right through to the council road. That was done, and we've conducted all of our ecological and cultural heritage surveys for the whole area concerned. So very, very busy, but some very critical milestones ticked off.
So it's obviously been a hugely successful 2025 for Zeotech. You're ending the year with a bit of a bang. How are you going to start 2026? What can investors look forward to in the first quarter?
Yep. So we've built up a huge momentum through 2025. We've got results for our AusPozz product have exceeded expectations by a huge margin. So next year coming, I should say, 2026, we're looking forward to getting some early cash flow. We're fully funded into operations, so that money should start coming in next year, put us in a very strong position. In the concrete space, the AusPozz has been giving some fantastic results in a whole range of applications. We've got some very interesting MOUs in place with some big players in industry, and we'll be moving those forward next year towards hopefully some commercial deals. And to back that, we have a whole load of commercial scale concrete trials planned. So yeah, very exciting year for 2026, and shareholders should be very happy.
I'm certainly looking forward to those updates. Listen, James, I know it's been a huge year for you and a very, very busy past few weeks. Thank you for finding the time to talk with me today, and I can't wait to see what happens in 2026.
Thank you for your time.